Assalamualaikum dear students. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. We are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 0580 Variant 2-3 May-June 2020. Question number 1. We have been given a list of numbers and we have to find a multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 means it should be in 8 times table. You can use your calculator to check and you will find 8 times 4 is 32. So we write that. A square number. A square number is a number where multiplied by itself. So 6 times 6 is 36. A prime number is a number that is not divisible by any number except itself. So very easy to spot a prime number here. Even numbers except 2 are not prime numbers, so they are cancelled. Numbers ending with 5 are cancelled. Numbers which are divisible by any other number, so 33 and 39 are divisible by 3, that is cancelled. What are we left with? 37. That's our answer. Next, the diagram shows a cuboid. Calculate the volume of the cuboid. To find the volume of the cuboid, we multiply the length, width, and the height. So 8 times 4 times 6.5 will give us 208 cubic centimeter as the answer. Question number 3. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. This line tells us that AB and AC are equal. Therefore, the opposite angles will also be equal. We need to find angle BAC. The angle sum property of a triangle means that when we add all the three angles, it equals to 180. So if we want to find angle BAC, we have to subtract the other two angles from 180. And that will give us 116 as the answer. Question number 4. A journey takes 5 hours 54 minutes. The journey starts at 9:15. Find the time that the journey ends. We can find this answer in the calculator. I will show you how. Or manually we can write 09:15 plus 5:54. This will give us 14:69. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So if we subtract from here 1 hour, we add it to the hours, it will become 15. And 69 minus 60 is 09. So the time is 15:09. Now for using the calculator, we will write our starting point 9, and then we will press this button, then 15, and this is 9 hours 15 minutes and 0 seconds, plus 5 hours 54. So 5, each time press this button. 54, press the button. 0, press the button. You will get 15, this square 9. So this is one number, one digit 9. So we write it as 09, 1509. You will not get wrong answers if you use a calculator, but both the ways are right. Next we have the average speed of the train for this journey is 80 km per hour. Calculate the distance traveled. We use this pyramid. We want to find the distance, so distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Time is 5 hours 54 minutes. We have 5 hours and 54 minutes. We want the answer in kilometer per hour. So our minutes we need to turn into hour. We can do this as plus 5 is our hours, plus 54 minutes. You want to change the minutes into hour divided by 60. This will give us 472. Question number 5. Sophia has a bag containing 8 blue beads and 7 red beads only. She takes one bead out of the bag at random and replaces it. She does this 90 times. Find the number of times she expects to take a red bead. Probability of getting a red bead is 7 out of the total number of beads. The total number of beads are 15. 8 plus 7, 15. Multiply it by the number of times she picks up the bead. It is 90. This will give us 42. Question number 8. The bearing of x from y is 274 degrees. Calculate the bearing of y from x. The only thing you need to remember here is if your bearing is more than 180, this is 274, to find the other bearing from 274, we subtract 180. This will give you 94. But do not write 2 digits. Bearing is always 3 digits, so put a 0 in the front. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For question number 9 onwards, please watch part 2. Thank you for watching.